I don't want you to get run over. Oh, that was quiet, wasn't it? Don't jump up. Look at all this, hey? Look at all this nail that's come off. Got to do the other one now, don't we? Yeah. We should do this one here now. Because you were really good with that one, weren't you? Let's try this one. The rain stopped, Sherps. You can get back outside now if you want to. Look. Look, it's Halloween and there's a floating leaf. How's that work, eh? Floating leaf Sherps on Halloween. Look, where Sherpa's been lying, he's somehow turned that around. Well, I hope he has anyway, and done it himself. We got a little Chucky here, Sherps. But yeah, he was led here last night. So I think he must have spun it around. Bless him. I think he's jealous. There you go, fella.